China has been able to demonstrate a very robust model for that. Therefore, there's a lot to learn and to collaborate. And this is reflected in the way the public thinks about Malaysia and China's relationship. I think recently the approval rating for Malaysia's and China's economic cooperation has hit the highest numbers in so many years. So yes, I think this is the best high time that we've seen in so many decades. Since 2023, energy transition has become a key policy drive. And we have consolidated energy transition as the key thrust of our economic transformation. And that means that it will only accelerate further the trades between Malaysia and China in not just renewable materials, not just EPCCs and projects delivery, but as importantly technology and expertise.